Sydney in Pontiac wants to know, my grandma has a hearing aid that often makes a high-pitched squealing noise. What causes that? How do you stop it? Sydney, do you mean like this? That is my hearing aid whistling, or what we call feedback. It happens when the amplified sound from the hearing aid kind of escapes back out of the ear canal, jumps back into the hearing aid microphone, and gets re-amplified. There are a few different things that can cause feedback. If your hearing aid is out of your ear but powered on, since the sound has nowhere to really go but out, it might whistle or make that sound. If you get really close to something, like I demonstrated when my hand got really close to the microphone, and that's completely normal. One of the more common causes of feedback is earwax buildup in the ear canal. Another example is going to be a poor fit of the hearing device. So don't worry if your hearing aid is doing this. That can be a normal reaction from the hearing device. If it is something happening more consistently, just make sure you get back into your audiologist to have it checked out. Hope that helps. If you have more questions, let us know. I'm Dr. Sara Hanley at Bloomington-Normal Audiology, and we are here for you.